look at this place. Great double vanity. And nice features throughout that look like the Hawaiian rock look. This is a nice sized shower. And I love that the toilet is separate in its own little room here. Plenty of storage. Let's get a steamer. Coffee service. Mini fridge. Plenty of Joffrey's coffee. Ah, look at this. Happy birthday. This is a great room. I really love the layout with the Hawaiian themes throughout. This is really, really nice. This is the fireworks view. So this is as good of a view as it gets at the Polynesian. Aside from the bungalows, maybe. You can see Contemporary right there in the distance. And there's the Magic Kingdom. We were right on the water there. A lovely Grand Floridian. Sitting area. And a Hey Disney app.